Today I want to talk to you about summarizing your skin, so get it ready for the summer. Hi, Manuela Marcheggiani here from ISOMERS Skincare. Today I want to talk to you about summarizing your skin, so get it ready for the summer. We're getting a lot of questions about what are we going to do for the summer? How do we change our routine? Do we lighten it up? Do we add things? Do we take things away? So we're put together a really simple basic, I believe it's very comprehensive, routine, daytime and nighttime for the summer. So if you want to lighten it up, but you want to get all the protection, you want to get all the bases covered, this is a simple routine for you. So let's start with our serums. The 3 serums that I've picked that are really essential for summertime skin. First of all is an antioxidant. Here I've got the antioxidant, the vitamin C and Ferulic. Super antioxidant. Why is this important? You want to protect your skin against the sun damage or the environmental damage. You're going to maybe get a little bit of color, maybe a little bit of sunburn. What the sun does, not only does it color you and change a little bit your pigmentation, it also breaks down some of the proteins in the skin, so that leads to lines and wrinkles. And in the summertime, we also squint a lot more. So we want to really work on our collagen and we want to work on the brightening. So we're going to start with that vitamin C. The vitamin C in Ferulic is amazing because why? This Ferulic is going to allow the vitamin C to last longer on your skin. You want a long-acting antioxidant. Let's see how we can say that many times quickly. The second thing that I would mix into the cocktail that I'm making is going to be the multi-molecular weight Hyaluronate. This is pure moisture. This is going to bring in 1,000 times its weight in hydration. It's going to really be able to moisturize. So think about, this is going to work on the fat and the water part, the moisture. This is the pure moisture. Bring that moisture in, bring the electrolytes in, bring the glycosaminoglycans in, plump up the skin, give it a good drink of water. And then finally we have the Matrixyl 4. These are 4 forms of micronized collagen. So think about this. Summertime, wrinkles, squinting. What do we need to work on? We need to work on the most abundant protein of the skin. So we're going to use Matrixyl. This formulation is the only one in the world that has all 4 forms of Matrixyl. Why is that important? That means it's going to work on fine lines, deep lines, expression lines, marionette lines. All of that heavy lifting is going to be done by this formulation for the collagen. So I would make a cocktail, which I'll do right now, of the 3. So think about it this way. You have your Matrixyl, a couple of drops, multimolecular, and then the vitamin C, multimolecular and the Matrixyl. That is the cocktail. Apply that all over, face, go, back of the neck, down the neck. Then you're going to use for daytime, you're going to use your sunscreen. This is going to protect you. So all the work that you're doing, you're going to get that sun protection with our sunscreen. And at nighttime, what you're going to use, I've picked, is the Matrixyl wrinkle defense. I don't know why I can't say defense today. Wrinkle defense cream. So this one, again, this is going to seal it in. So daytime, sunscreen. Nighttime, cream with the workhorse and the micronized collagen. Both day and night, you have your 3 workhorse serums. Simple summer skin. It's going to cover all the bases. It's going to be able to be used universally by all skin types, and it's going to give you that fundamental, healthier, hydrated, summer-ready skin from ISOMERS. Hope you enjoyed this presentation and tutorial. I look forward to talking to you again.